guys, do you want to stand out in your field and get the best results without all the extra hassle? Then you've got to check out this video, because today we've got some genius tools that make working smarter a breeze. And if you like the tools, please subscribe to our channel. Now, let's see what's waiting. This is the Flex FX 6151 MUDMI XER. Powered by 24-volt lithium technology, this tool delivers 20% more power, 25% longer runtime, and up to 50% faster charging. Its sensor-free brushless motor eliminates friction and maximizes efficiency with power for optimal mixing results. Plus, it features a dual-handle design that enhances comfort and control. Meanwhile, the two mechanical gear speeds effortlessly tackle thick mortar mixes. With 3 electronic speed modes, users have precise control over the mixing process. The keyed half-inch chuck securely grips common paddles so that you can get ultimate stability during every operation. Offering exceptional versatility and performance, the MUD mixer is a must-have tool for professionals seeking reliable and efficient mixing solutions. Next up, we have the Worx Landroid Vision Robotic Lawn Mower that changes the way of lawn maintenance with its innovative features. With no boundary wire installation or lawn mapping required, it offers fully automated mowing by utilizing a sophisticated camera to identify grassy areas accurately. The included magnetic strips create boundaries when neighboring lawns meet, ensuring precise navigation. Covering up to a quarter acre with periodic mowing, its intelligent obstacle avoidance system enhances safety by preventing collisions with various hazards. Equipped with a wide-angle HDR camera and AI deep learning technology, this mower continuously improves its efficiency and obstacle detection. Plus, the self-leveling deck adapts to terrain changes effortlessly, while the cut-to-edge functionality minimizes trimming needs. Operating quietly and with IPX5 water resistance, this mower is both neighbor and weather-friendly. Now here's the Bosch Professional GLM 50-27 CG laser measure. This handy tool stands out with its innovative features for precision measurement tasks. Utilizing green laser technology, it guarantees exceptional visibility even in bright indoor conditions, ensuring accurate measurements over long distances. Built to withstand rugged construction environments, it boasts a 1.5-meter drop resistance, IP65 protection, and shock-absorbing rubber casing. With Bluetooth connectivity and compatibility with the Bosch Measure On app, it facilitates quick documentation and seamless data transfer, offering a generous measuring range of up to 50 meters and a maximum measurement time of just 4 seconds. The GLM 50-27CG delivers fast and precise results, making it an indispensable tool for professionals seeking accuracy and convenience in their measurement tasks. Introducing the Makita HW001 GXGT High Power Washer, a cordless cleaning solution designed for maximum efficiency and convenience. Powered by the 40-volt max battery, it offers the flexibility of using either 2 batteries in parallel or just 1. Coming with high washing power comparable to corded models, this tool delivers exceptional cleaning results without being tethered to a power outlet. With regular pressure and flow rate, it ensures thorough cleaning while maintaining efficiency. Plus, the washer features 3 operation modes to suit different cleaning needs and surfaces. Its telescopic handle and 140mm diameter large wheels further contribute to ease of use and maneuverability. Additionally, the inclusion of a foam nozzle allows for efficient application of cleaning agents, ensuring thorough and effective cleaning. We have the Skil Twist 2.0 screwdriver. This little tool redefines household and professional toolkits with its ingenious design. Featuring a patent-pending pivoting head that locks into 3 positions, it effortlessly navigates tight spaces, simplifying furniture assembly and intricate repairs. Its ergonomic build ensures comfort during prolonged use, while the rechargeable 4-volt lithium-ion battery eliminates the need for frequent replacements. So you can get uninterrupted productivity. With a simple push-to-start button, this screwdriver swiftly powers up. On TP of that, it is complemented by an integrated LED light that illuminates dim corners for precise work. Crafted for durability, it withstands the demands of everyday use, setting a new standard in convenience, efficiency, and reliability. Dewalt Ascent all-electric zero-turn mowers, an innovative line of electric mowers designed to redefine commercial landscaping. Born from Dewalt's heritage of innovation and reliability on the job site, these mowers are engineered from the ground up to tackle the most demanding tasks with unparalleled efficiency and performance. With the power of electricity driving every aspect of operation, the Ascent series delivers quiet, emission-free mowing without compromising on power or capability. These mowers offer exceptional maneuverability thanks to their zero-turn design, allowing operators to navigate tight spaces with ease. Here comes the Milwaukee M12 Fuel ProPEX Expander. This tool is a blessing for all the plumbing installers. It's super fast and gives consistent results for pipe expansions from 3/8 inch to 1 inch. With its smart design, it seals connections quickly, even in cold weather, saving time on testing. Plus, it's tough and durable, so it can handle any job site. The brushless motor means it's powerful and lasts longer, while the battery lasts twice as long as standard ones. It's also smart enough to protect itself from overheating and overloading. And with a handy fuel gauge, you always know how much juice you have left. In short, it's a must-have tool for any plumbing job. If you're looking for a versatile cable drum rewinder and unwinder, meet with the Runpotech XB 300. This tool is designed to streamline cable management tasks across various applications. With its universal compatibility, it efficiently handles all types of cables and cable drums, even those with very small inner diameters, making it an ideal solution for professionals in diverse industries. Weighing just 1.26 kilograms, its compact and lightweight design belies its impressive load capacity of up to 300 kilograms, providing excellent support for even the heaviest cable drums. Its stable base ensures non-slip operation, while the telescopic center mandrel, extendable up to 294 millimeters, accommodates high cable bundles or corresponding tube bundles with ease. Seeking an ultimate solution to retrieve lost items in hard-to-reach places? The KOOPOOL telescoping magnetic pickup tool offers a maximum suction weight of up to 5 pounds, ensuring you can easily locate and grab items in automotive, construction, HVAC, and home projects. This cool tool comes complete with a compact and portable bag made of durable Oxford fabric, equipped with a super bright flashlight featuring 3 LED bulbs, a magnet head and base, and a 360-degree swivel neck. This tool aids in illuminating and retrieving tools in dark and narrow spaces. With 5 different pickups to suit various needs and a high-quality pouch for easy carrying, the telescoping magnetic pickup tool is your ultimate companion for practical and efficient tool retrieval. To conclude the list, we have the DDG 460L XT Earth Auger from Makita. Featuring a brushless motor, it ensures maintenance-free operation and extended lifespan, delivering reliable performance over time. With variable 2-speed options, users can match the speed to the application, enhancing versatility and control. Equipped with a twin LED job light with pre-glow and afterglow functions, it illuminates the work area for improved visibility, even in low-light conditions. The soft start feature ensures smooth startups, while the electric brake enhances productivity and operator safety. Engineered with extreme protection technology, this auger is built to withstand harsh job site conditions with improved dust and water resistance. Additionally, the reversing switch allows for reverse rotation mode to release jammed auger bits, further increasing convenience and efficiency. So, that's all. Thanks for watching our video. If you want to stay updated on the newest tool releases, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. See you next time.